Welcome to part 2 of school-oriented words and sentences. Let's start. Nearby,
Posh,
nearby.
posh,
Principal,
directive,
principal.
directive,
Teacher,
professor,
teacher.
professor.
My school is
Monicol at
close
posh,
to my house.
tu chez moi.
My school is
Monicol at
close
posh,
to my house.
tu chez moi.
My school is close to my house.
Monicol at posh, tu chez moi.
My school is close to my house.
Monicol at posh, tu chez moi.
The principal
Le directive
of my school
du Monicol
is Mr. John.
at Monsieur John.
The principal
Le directive
of my school
du Monicol
is Mr. John.
at Monsieur John.
The principal of my school is Mr. John.
Le directeur de mon école de Monsieur John.
The principal of my school is Mr. John.
Le directeur de mon école est Monsieur John.
Mrs. Sandra is
Madame Sandra est
a teacher
une professeure
in my school.
dans mon école.
Mrs. Sandra is
Madame Sandra est
a teacher
une professeure
in my school.
dans mon école.
Mrs. Sandra is a teacher in my school.
Madame Sandra est une professeure dans mon école.
Mrs. Sandra is a teacher in my school.
Madame Sandra est une professeure dans mon école.
A tree,
Un arbre,
a tree.
un arbre.
Trees,
Des arbres,
trees.
des arbres.
Always remember that in French, whenever it is plural, these, D-E-S, will always be ahead of that verb. Trees,
Des arbres,
trees.
des arbres.
Parking area,
Aire de stationnement,
parking area.
aire de stationnement.
Around,
Autour,
around.
autour.
There is
Il y a
a tree
un arbre
near
près
my classroom.
de ma classe.
There is
Il y a
a tree
un arbre
near
près
my classroom.
de ma classe.
There is a tree near my classroom.
Il y a un arbre près de ma classe.
There is a tree near my classroom.
Il y a un arbre près de ma classe.
There are many
Il y a beaucoup
trees around
des arbres autour
my school.
de mon école.
There are many
Il y a beaucoup
trees around
des arbres autour
my school.
de mon école.
Not that for there is, it is ilya. There are, it is same, ilya. There are many trees around my school.
Il y a beaucoup des arbres autour de mon école.
There are many trees around my school.
Il y a beaucoup des arbres autour de mon école.
There is
Il y a
a parking area
un parking
in my school.
dans mon école.
There is
Il y a
a parking area
un parking
in my school.
dans mon école.
There is a parking area in my school.
Il y a un parking dans mon école.
There is a parking area in my school.
Il y a un parking dans mon école.
We,
Nous,
we
nous,
celebrate,
célèbre,
celebrate,
célèbre,
festival,
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 festival.
we celebrate,
Nous célébrons,
festival
nous festival
in school.
à l'école.
We celebrate
Nous célébrons
festival in
la fête
school.
à l'école.
We celebrate festival in school.
Nous célébrons la fête à l'école.
We celebrate festival in school.
Nous célébrons la fête à l'école.
Let's have a quick revision of the words that we have done today in this video. Nearby,
Poche,
nearby,
poche.
principal,
Directive,
principal,
directive.
teacher,
Professeur,
teacher,
professeur.
a tree,
Un arbre,
a tree,
un arbre.
trees,
Des arbres,
trees,
des arbres.
going further, parking area,
Aire do stationnement,
parking area,
aire do stationnement.
around,
Autour,
around,
autour.
we,
Nous,
we,
nous.
celebrate,
Célébrer,
celebrate,
célébrer.
festival,
Festival,
festival.
festival.
Now let's have a very quick revision. Here you will see each and every word only for 5 seconds. You must revise that word by speaking it yourself. Let's start. Subscribe the channel now if you have not done. Please hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.